Saccogaster is a genus of viviparous brotulas. They are found in the western Atlantic and Indo-Pacific. Species. There are currently 8 recognized species in this genus: Saccogaster Brady, J. G. Nielsen, Schwarzens, and Cohen, 2012. Saccogaster Hawaii, Cohen and J. G. Nielsen, 1972. Saccogaster Harita, J. G. Nielsen, Schwarzens, and Cohen, 2012. Saccogaster maculata, Alcock, 1889. Saccogaster nicolivi, J. G. Nielsen, Schwarzens, and Cohen, 2012. Saccogaster parva, Cohen and J. G. Nielsen, 1972. Saccogaster stigeri, Cohen and J. G. Nielsen, 1972. Saccogaster tuberculata, W. L. Y. Chan, 1966, Bagbali Kusk. References.